Have you looked in the mirror lately and felt like your own reflection is sabotaging you? Like the vibrant, powerful woman you are inside is being held prisoner by a tired, dragging image in the glass? If you are over 60, the answer is almost certainly yes. We need to talk about why that is happening. The problem is not your age, it is not your skin, and it is not that you do not care. The invisible enemy is the very length of hair you have clung to for decades. No one has told you this, but every single inch of hair that is weighing down your facial features is making you look at least 10 years older. It is a slow, silent betrayal by the mirror. Wait, what I'm about to say will change your morning routine forever. I am going to make you a simple, shocking promise. You are only minutes away from discovering how to reclaim your entire visual presence. We can instantly lift your jawline, brighten your eyes, and eliminate that sagging effect without a single surgical procedure, a single syringe of filler, or a single expensive cream. The solution is entirely within our control, and it is elegant. Now, stop everything and listen to this. I have spent my entire life, 30 long years, mastering the architecture of the human head and face right here in the heart of Manhattan. My clients pay thousands, tens of thousands for this knowledge. My waiting list is months long, populated by women just like you who demand the absolute best. They are not interested in gimmicks. They want authentic transformation. You are not looking for a quick fix from some amateur. You are looking for a return to elegance. I am the only coach who can show you exactly how to execute that return. We must discuss the harsh reality of visual geometry. Your face is a map of lines and angles. In your 30s and even your 40s, the widest part of your face was likely your cheekbones. It was an inverted triangle of youth. But as time passes, gravity and the loss of collagen pull everything downward. This is natural, but your hair is making it worse. If you have long, heavy hair that hangs past your shoulders, you are literally dragging the eyes of every person who looks at you toward your neck and jawline. You are accentuating the very things you want to hide. Now stop everything and listen to this. Your hair is acting as an anchor. Think of it as a heavy curtain that is pulling on the structure of your face. Most women believe that keeping their hair long keeps them looking young, but the opposite is true. Long, thin hair creates vertical lines. These vertical lines act like arrows pointing directly at your jowls and the corners of your mouth. When the weight of your hair sits below your chin, it creates a visual heaviness that mirrors the sagging of your skin. It is a double hit to your appearance that you do not even realize is happening. Wait, what I am about to say will change your morning routine forever. The mistake your local stylist is making is cutting your hair for the length you want rather than the lift you need. They are using old techniques that focus on the ends of the hair. They are not looking at the architecture of your skull or the sagging of your mid-face. When hair is one length, it collapses. It becomes flat at the crown and bulky at the bottom. This creates a pyramid shape. A pyramid is the heaviest geometric form. It sits solid and immovable on your shoulders, making your neck look shorter and your face look wider at the base. This is the moment where you must choose to see the truth. I have seen thousands of women in my chair who are terrified of losing their length. They think their hair is their security blanket, but that blanket is actually a shroud. It is hiding your elegance and replacing it with a tired, unkempt silhouette. You are not losing your beauty, you are simply burying it under a dated philosophy of hair care. We need to stop fighting your face and start framing it. We need to shift the visual weight from the bottom of your neck back up to your eyes and your cheekbones. Now, listen closely because this is the key to your transformation. If you do not change the geometry of your hair, no amount of makeup will fix the problem. You can spend thousands on serums, but if your hair is pulling the frame of your face down, you will always look exhausted. We are going to break that cycle today. We are going to stop the collapse. We are going to rebuild the architecture of your beauty from the ground up. It is time to stop being a victim of your own reflection and start being the director of your own image. We are now moving into the realm of the elite. These 5 master solutions are the secrets that the high-end salons of the world keep behind closed doors. They are the techniques that create what I call the virtual facelift. You do not need a surgeon when you have a master of architecture working on your silhouette. We are going to reclaim your power by using these 5 specific strategies to ensure your long hair serves you rather than aging you. Now, stop everything and listen to this. The first solution is the hidden scaffolding technique. Most stylists think that layers mean cutting shorter pieces on the top of the head. That is a mistake for women over 60. It makes the hair look thin and dated. Instead, we use internal layers. These are shorter pieces of hair hidden underneath the top canopy. They act like a shelf to hold up the longer hair. This creates a permanent volume at the crown that does not collapse by lunchtime. It lifts the entire visual weight of your face upward. Wait, what I am about to say will change your morning routine forever. The second solution is the chin-to-cheek graduation. If your hair is all one length around your face, it acts like a heavy curtain. We must create a soft, angled graduation that starts exactly at the hollow of your cheekbone and sweeps back toward your ears. This simple change creates a diagonal line of sight. It forces the eye of the observer to follow that line upward, which gives the illusion of a lifted jawline. It is a visual trick that replaces the need for fillers. Now stop everything and listen to this. The third solution is the blunt perimeter with ghost layers. If you want to keep your hair long, the ends must look dense and healthy. Thin, wispy ends scream old age. We cut a very blunt, thick line at the bottom to create the illusion of extreme health and thickness. Then we use ghost layers throughout the mid-lengths. These layers are invisible to the naked eye, but they remove the bulk that makes long hair look like a heavy blanket. It allows the hair to move and catch the light without losing its shape. Wait, what I'm about to say will change your morning routine forever. The fourth solution is the dimensional color halo. Solid color is the enemy of the mature woman. It looks like a helmet and it emphasizes every fine line on your skin. We use a technique called color contouring. We place lighter, warmer tones around the face and deeper, richer tones underneath. This creates depth and shadow. It makes your hair look twice as thick as it actually is. It also brings a glow to your complexion that makes you look as though you have just returned from a relaxing month in the sun. Now stop everything and listen to this. The fifth and final master solution is the strategic length management rule. I tell my elite clients that if you are over 60, your hair can be long, but it must have a purpose. If the hair passes the collarbone, it must be perfectly maintained. We do not allow the hair to just hang there. We use a slight curve at the ends to ensure the hair points back toward your body, rather than just dragging the eye down to the floor. This creates a finished, intentional look that separates the sophisticated woman from the woman who has simply forgotten to get a haircut. Wait, what I'm about to say will change your morning routine forever. You must realize that these techniques require a level of skill that you will not find at a discount salon. You are an investment. Your image is your brand. When you walk into a room, you want people to see your elegance and your wisdom, not your age. These 5 solutions provide the structure that allows your natural beauty to shine through. They stop the collapse of your visual geometry and give you back the confidence that the mirror has been trying to steal from you for years. Now stop everything and listen to this. You are not just changing your hair, you are changing the way the world perceives you. You are moving from a state of being invisible to a state of being undeniable. When your hair is structured correctly, it frames your face like a piece of art. It highlights your eyes. It sharpens your jaw. It tells everyone that you are a woman who is still very much in control of her life and her appearance. This is the power of high-end hair design, and it is now within your reach. As a reward for your dedication to your own elegance, I have one final secret to share with you. This is my private bonus tip for the woman who wants her long hair to possess a mirror-like shine that lasts all day. Most women use heavy oils that weigh the hair down and make it look greasy. I want you to stop doing that immediately. Instead, I want you to finish every single hair wash with a 30-second rinse of ice-cold water. This simple act seals the cuticle of the hair and creates a surface that reflects light like a diamond. Wait, what I'm about to say will change your morning routine forever. This cold rinse also stimulates blood flow to the scalp, which encourages stronger growth. It is a small price to pay for the level of luxury it provides to your silhouette. Now look at the woman in the mirror again. She is not the same woman who started this video. She is a woman with a plan. She is a woman who understands that her beauty is an architecture that she controls. You are now part of an elite circle of women who refuse to be invisible. Now stop everything and listen to this. I want you to join our community of ageless icons in the comment section below. Share which of these master solutions you will discuss with your stylist this week. We are building a movement of women over 60 who are reclaiming their visual power, and your voice is essential to that mission. When we support one another, we become an unstoppable force of elegance and wisdom. Your experience is your greatest asset, and sharing it helps every woman in this community rise. Wait, what I'm about to say will change your morning routine forever. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications. You do not want to miss the transformation we are building together. We are just getting started on this journey of refinement. You deserve to look as powerful as you feel. You deserve to walk into every room with the quiet confidence of a woman who knows she is the most sophisticated person in the building. It is time to stop settling for average and start demanding excellence for yourself. Now stop everything and listen to this. Next week, I am going to reveal a secret that is even more controversial than long hair. I am going to show you the one specific hair color mistake that is secretly causing your skin to look yellow and tired, and how a single 5-minute change can erase 20 years of exhaustion from your face. It is a revelation that most colorists are too afraid to tell you because it would put them out of business. It is the missing piece of the puzzle that will complete your transformation. Wait, what I'm about to say will change your morning routine forever. You will not want to miss that episode. Until then, remember that your hair is the crown you never take off. Treat it with the respect it deserves, and it will return the favor by reflecting the goddess you truly are. I will see you in the next masterclass. Stay elegant, stay undeniable. The world is waiting to see the real you, and now you have the tools to show them exactly who that is.